Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to fix Amazon error code 8541. Let's get into it. If you're struggling with Amazon error code 8541, don't worry, you're not alone. This error is common when updating product listings, and Amazon blocks changes due to conflicting information in their catalog. In this guide, we'll explain why this error occurs, how to fix it, and what you can do to prevent it from happening again. Error code 8541 usually appears when you try to modify details like the brand name, UPC, ASIN, title, color, or scent, and Amazon detects a mismatch with its existing records. If the system believes your update contradicts what's already stored, it won't allow the change. This commonly happens with variations, rebranded products, or UPC-related conflicts. To fix this, the best approach is to use a flat file upload instead of editing directly in Seller Central. First, download the category-specific template for your product, fill in the correct details, and upload it as a partial update. Flat file uploads have a better chance of success since they override manual restrictions. If the issue is related to a UPC conflict, you need to verify ownership. Go to GS1, download your UPC certificate, and submit it as proof in a case with Amazon Seller Support. If you're trying to update an attribute like color or scent, take clear photos of the product, packaging, and barcode, and include them in your case. Providing strong evidence increases your chances of approval. If your case gets rejected, don't give up. Resubmit with clearer documentation, and if needed, escalate the issue. Sometimes it takes multiple attempts before you reach the right support agent who can resolve the problem. To avoid this error in the future, always ensure product details are accurate when creating listings. Double-check brand names, UPCs, and key attributes before submission. If changes are needed later, use flat file uploads rather than making edits manually. We hope this guide helps you fix Amazon error 8541. If you found this information useful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon selling tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.